Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. Thank y'all for tuning in to watching another one of my videos today. Feel me? Just kidding. Anyway, today we got an 09, I keep forgetting what name this thing is, a Chevy Uplander. I did a video on this same car on one of my very old, first videos. I did a motorman on it. Got a pretty good amount of views on that, so y'all must have liked it. But anyways, it's back, and today we're gonna be doing the not the tie rods. Wait, don't start yet. Today we're gonna be doing the wheel bearings on it. Well, he's gonna be doing the wheel bearings on it. He's gonna be teaching y'all how to do it. Well, I'm gonna be walking him through it. So let's get into it. You wanna talk to him or you want me to do it?
You can do the talking.
Of course I can do the talking, because I'm more familiar with that, huh? You know, first things first, obviously you guys are gonna take the tire off. That's the easy part. So after you take the tire off, the first things we're gonna do is, since he already know what he's doing, I should just let him talk about it. But the first thing we're gonna do is get the caliper off. But you wanna loosen it first. Let me get the screwdriver. Don't put the screwdriver in there. Loosen it up a little bit. And then there's two 15s back here. Hold on. There we go, it's probably better to see. Alright, caliper off. Second, nope, we're gonna leave the roller on because remember last time we had to put that. Whoa, my camera getting wet. Second thing, what you want to do next? All right, second thing he's gonna do is take his two spindle screws out. Y'all let him know what to do already. He know to keep those on because he got to beat them out. He don't want to mess his threads up. Next thing we're gonna do is take the tie rod out. That should be a 19mm. He already know. Yep, boom. You can leave that screw on too. Okay. We gotta beat that too. Beat it.
Now I'm just a hammer.
Yep. That's good. So I'm keep. No. Oh shit. Damn. Okay, never mind. Normally you want to hit it right here. But because on most cars this is a lot thicker, so it'll beat the threads up on that instead of actually hitting it out. But that worked pretty good. You're gonna beat his two spindle screws out. Harder. You don't gotta be scared to hit it. That's it. It's not gonna break. Let me hit that fucker one time. Yeah, you don't gotta be scared to hit it, because they metal, it ain't gonna break or nothing. And next you wanna take the axle nut out. Axle nut out. Now you can take the axle out. Well, actually, now you can take your screw out of the.
Yeah.
So there's a tiny screw in here. It's a star. It's a T30. I'll hold it. Yep. Take the axle out of there. Wiggle it. There you go. Wiggle it out. Yep. Axle out. Last thing we got to do to get this thing out of here. There's 3 screws back here. 1, 2, 3. They're 13mm. Just come out pretty easy with the gun. last but not least, all right, that's how y'all do it, y'all. Feel me? Y'all seen him? Jalen Noble. First full fix on his own. Yeah, we're not gonna show him all of that. That's just like intermediate stuff right there. All right, y'all. So yeah, y'all seen Jalen do his thing, but that's how you do a. Dang, I keep wanting to say tie rod. Why the heck I keep wanting to say tie rod? Right. Maybe because I guess this thing does need tie rods, so I keep saying tie rods. But that's how you do a wheel bearing, front wheel bearing on a 08 Chevy Uplander. Y'all like and subscribe. Let me know how y'all feel about this video. Tell me, you know, comment about Jalen's work today. I think he did pretty good. Y'all let me know. Comment down below, like, subscribe, and we're gonna see y'all on the next one.